ora migirio yebirengo bigoro Potters Premium School na ubago soireime nigo babwate ebirasi kurwa playgroup PP1 PP2 grade 1 gweka grade 3 eskuru nigebwate aborokia babwatu bumanyi bwigoro na boigo baisaine nigere nsemo tabwatiriogi erengia asogosomera mbabwata magacho yekerero kurwa bali ndagira ya balanced diet nechigari cy'obosombi nkwegeria bale amangana y'ubu Kristo eri ukorongije chimbwa cy'abana bamura n'abanyaruka nero eskurugia asumurubyo CBC imeyakisi nigo babwate ebirasi bibwata amabaga manene laboratory ibwate equipment cyonsi naboigo ribagari nene aborokigwa bakogosorelia mbabwate music classes, swimming classes, computer studies, home science, young chef classes, Kenya Sign Language classes, naboigo clubs and societies. Utarigutiga magiga, chigosori chonsi. Admission nigegenderete. Nigo bagutuka ensemo ya nyatiko. Angena mwisho walami. Chikilomita isano chuka. Kuwase tauni ya Kisii.
I love my school because it is the best place for learning. Welcome to Potters Premium.
Vakire sibi asenamba enoti isano na ibere isateyemo isano ne moibere isano ne moibere isano ne tu inye gose enoti isano na ibere yemo kianda isano ne tu isano na ibere isato isano Potters Premium School nyorero mwana ribaga genkyo. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Munchumurikire wana ukwane ndonsi ya sobereta semargoba yabono ochinga kuchinga kuwaligania semese mangana maya nyaro kumanyigati ya rutu abereta kuwaligania kurwa semambia yarenge ntambe weka chinse chigabano chebono margoba ali tukeriga nelia jumainde stali kemeronge bere nesa tomutenyo kane umwaka bw'ikirbo bere na meronge bere na mange habereka okolekana ajo aseri bongo chiko sansamura na kumanya semargoba yabono ense mo Africa ya mo chenyero bono niga manga gendrete okolekana ense muri kurwechi bastari chichak ngane mwana sogosira mwana ngreshisemi nigobono yagendra kokolekana aigase county ya Kisii omuyigo kolekana asegeti kirikia guse stadium nabo igo nigo ekyombe keria getenete abanyagitari bagenda tatu yabuna omugirobo ikogendre nonye magega ye omwaziri bobo chonsa na kumincha konyara gote yabuna abanyagitari bacho iki waseke gambiro aso kwanga koirana asemere mungatero cy'kumurikiro moncho murigireria asemaragoba yabono boigo enyombe goroba eyibono erechigoroba nyawo chigoro nigobono yagwa sensemeri ya gesima abantu mbauti amakori ya sensemeyo gati ya mwana to bulita semaragoba yabono aingo chiko kumanya asenchera yobo ikirano tokubateranere wetera somono wimanyereri hagakoro kwa Lydia Mose karo kalipete nanira mokera akone kichibi chamuli cha wikere asenchera yobo ikirano gandra gotobwati gotera nsemeli mtandao nsemo ya Facebook na bogotonyera buna Ndizi TV News digital na bogensemeli ya YouTube na bogotonyera buna Ndizi TV News tobasa kweba gotobwati gotera se website yeto buna www.ndizitv.net onyare konyora yomone anda mangri tangana kema tonyora mangana yo asenchera yoko ya juta.
Wote wameokolewa na wakakibiswa katika hospitali yetu ya Keroka Sub County Hospital, na wote hali yao sio mbaya sana.
Abantu batatu niko bawutiria makuru chinsemo cyagese mebunge tutuma saba meye county ya Nyamira maiga yegoroba konyara kuguna kuwera chinyomba wakati yabo n'abana baberambo no mugakoyomo.
Follow up to the doctor's refusal to call off the strike we have instructed our council to immediately move to court.
Obokongo chiasa abanyagetari muwaziri bobocheni Susan Nakumincha nigate bire bona abanyagetari mbacho ikiwasiki gambero aso wotatenenia omugirobo.
None of our issues have been resolved so far. We are on the strike legally and well protected. We are not visitors in Kenya.
Na mangana tari kubagosa abanyagetari clinic officers obatebero kabagendere no mugiro mbali bageniga sense ya Kenya weka serikali igwe okugani kwabo.
Asayo monanda mange salanso ikabono tumenya senchira yoboye kiranurira n'enche nkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Emesema ngana mujito cha kurwa se county ya Kisii litukulialera ni gobono mugavana wa county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati ara omoye gana wa igomoro bali bokuba toka Chibasari chicheke Chibasari kocha chiwodi seri tukulialera gati chiwodi chingamane ward ya Kisii Central na bogo kitu Central amone chiwodi chinde chibono chanyara konyora Chibasari jasari tukulialera cheke chini gochi aba chikubwato kwa ebunenchira mu yokonyara gosira chisemi korengana no mugavana gokona kurwa se gati kya stadium ni biribunekanga yano kaniki nangosirale chisemi ngase county ya Kisii igobono cheke cyo kinanyara kubato ko cyasa baruke wa form 2 form 3 nabo gina form 4 nabo igoro ba chiskuru cyo bundia haigase county ya Kisii aratini gata biribun chiwadi chinde boy gonchi konya chibasa richo unenchire mu yokonyara gosira chikode cyo ngasate biruna gode go chiko tumaiga nakoneke buno bokoryo bubokoro wecheke chibasa ri ni gokora korekane asichi wodi chonse merongere na isano imeje county ya Kisii wanchiri ya konde Wensi Gotayo.
Mr. Speaker, honorable MCAs, members of the county executive present, stakeholders in the education sector, distinguished invited guests, students, ladies and gentlemen. I'm pleased to officiate the launch of distribution of the county bursary fund checks for the year 2024. The various beneficiaries across all 45 wards. This time round, we are dispersing a total of 245 million shillings in bursaries to over 60,000 students in various secondary schools and vocational training centers. This is the second bursary allocation we are dispersing since my administration revived the county bursary fund, which had previously been done away with. I regret that this disbursement is coming in a date, having personally given out application forms in February. As you are aware, the delay was occasioned by a stoppage of our county budget due to stoppage or sabotage from the same leaders who petitioned to COB. Today, we are shaming the devil by this exercise, where beneficiary students are receiving their checks just in time to start their second term in school. And I want to tell those saboteurs, shame on you. I agree with the need of minority, but for this kind of criminal action, where we're going to kill the ambitions, the lives of so many people, those people must be ashamed and they should come back, apologize to our people. I'm sorry, I know some students are sent away from school, whereas we had checks here. I feel for you, my people. But as a leader, I'll stand with you through thick and everything.
na gotigana y'umunchi muri kitomirire mumanyi nagendetse kwaligan robot uruntoronyora century yo bekera nuchikora gaisato chiabono ubutuko gotigana yuni gobona abantu batatu bawuti amakwiri chinsemo kiri cyagisimase bunga yakutuma saba imeye county ya Nyamire mambi ya lero maiga yenyombe goroba yibonere kigoro benye ukigoro kogwa sense mejo yagotebekana buna henyombe yutemenyeri no naboni go yawore cyumba kinde cyarenge babale na senyombe yo ikibono cyarenge cyumba isato abantu abuni go batigore cinko micromye kwasenya getari chinsemo kiri chia keroka kolengana nsemo yo bulindi ni go bate biri buno butuke mbogendrete kunyara komekere gorobe kunyara kogwa ekero abantu ubatato kati yabona abana abere amuno mugako mbo miaka emerongene nigo cinga kici bali bakoga kinyomba bodo kuba maiso ekerege tambukiro kerete kuyimuki gwa hasi abanchine bali bagazite nyombe yo eteri ntunde ntanga ni nyombe kunyara kumulekerwa aso gutatuwara umusingi wendete asa cinga kici nsemo yo benda bate biri buno mbachi kuyimuki gitambukiro anemono asobwaga chiwe nyombe yo etabege twasekera ngo keria gitakeire
Nime yechire yeiga ya gesime yegotokeme ye subcounty ya Masaba North me county ya Nyamira asaba menyi anene barabo nchirire kurwa somo cyo yigabanyara kwa bakubokera umuichano munene maiga ye nyombe yuere yecho goroba inye kunyara kwa bage kwanyoka kolengana muna kirori nigo baigwege tulie kanene asaba igo ebumbye nene harolekana gucha maregoro gintu kyaberera gwa komone kyondoko na maiga yae korora enyombe yoge kwanyoka una bakwerera
tukirete na inche ni mbwate biashara ga narenge mutu yeduka yane na iwege ntuge kubuga maate ngaka kya buga igo akaigo na manya korore nyombe yo ego chaka kubuneka korugoro kya chaka kubuneka na buga kinki kyabeire obwo babolia yabuneka korugoro yagwa yaroli guchensemo ya uchimuina so bole mubutaga achiri
korobe uno kunyerige ryo kora una teli inkong koje njanya kuagacho lakini twanyora yanyale kogwa yagwero ubule mubwekirani abana mbale balengo monyeno nalengo lakini twanya banyale okonyeka
nyinabo nigo abobisa kurwase county ya Nyamira baikirana sajaiga habune nchire ya moyogo tema gotolia andaki bali babwaterani gwa sajaiga yobisi umujumbe we bunge yabagotutu bamasabo muske Clef Mbanegisero nigo yikirana sajaiga kurwa obokonyi na boigo nigo abobisa abanyanyimbo kurwase subcounty ya Masaba North banyaraka bako baso mustari obosi obune nchire ya moyogo tema gotolia bali babwaterani gwa
binadamu asichakalie eti ni kwa nini fulani alitoka na kwa nini fulani alikufa. Hiyo ni mambo ya Mungu. Tafadhali mwiche Mungu.
Bantu batatu nigo banyara ko bagotori gwehegati abo abana babere no musacha mu myaka yegatwa abo bamnyoke wikasinya gitari ya keroka bunenchire ya moyo gotema gotoria amagimabo
abantu batatu mbagwa amanyi lakini mbarushwa kwandika enyagitari bale
Kurenganamo Romo Sibidibwe chinseme chiga cha Masaba North Mosque Robert Ndambili nigagendere ko bagakobolya abantu bali bakwagacha kubwate amachiko bwikirano yobwagachi engana yanyara ko bagakwegwa ko bokoboigo hamono mu county commissioner we county Nyamira Mosque Erastus Mbui.
Kwa hivyo tungetaka kuomba wengi ambao wako na mijengo kutumia wataalamu ambao wamehitimu ili kuhakikisha kwamba mijengo yao inajengwa kwa njia ambayo inastahili katika sehemu hizi.
Watu wetu ambaye wanataka kuinvest katika manyumba wafuate zile kanuni ambazo zinatosha, kwa sababu ukiweka pesa zako, hii nyumba ni ya mamilioni ya pesa, hakuna haja upoteze mamilioni yako alafu ujenge na vitu ambavyo havifai, alafu tena unaona imeumiza ikaumiza majirani. So hiyo ndio ningeomba wale watu ambaye wanajenga watumie zile taratibu ziko zimewekwa na serikali.
Mboi boigo nigagendera ko bagakurwa gukuru gutinde gocyasa menye kurase county Nyamira ko bamaiso anene chinga kiechiga embule nyinge gendere togotua imeyo rugongo rwagusi.
Ushauri wangu ni wawe makini zaidi hasa matembezi yao ya usiku, kwa sababu mvua sana sana inanyesha kwa wingi usiku, na pia wajiepusha na kupitia masehemu ambazo wanaona zimefurika ama kujaribu kupitisha magari katika sehemu ambazo wanaona zimefurika. Kuna mito ambazo zingine wanapata imepita juu ya daraja, usijaribu kwa sababu inaweza kuwa mawimbi ya hayo maji utaweza kuyamundu iwe unapita kwa mguu ama unapita kwa gari. Watilie maanani usalama wao zaidi kuliko kukimbilia kufika mahali wanakwenda.
Ginko reporter getaseni kya obwanjete kya Ndizi TV kurugiga se chinseme chiga chagesima ime ye bunge yega yabo gututu bwa Masaba ime ye county yega ya Nyamira inchigo nkuru kwa Polycarp Okara.
Mbia muno mulikito Polycarp Okara soroboti rwa senchari jobo ikirano gotigana jobo mwancho muligero gotigara imiye county ya Nyamira ni gobono omote na wego munyakirobo asense muligo kirania magendero anene ase bunge ye senator na boigo ne committee ya bene yoko bwato Keni bo special funds baragire kyaro mu governor we county ya Nyamira Mosinya Ribo asogo tume koroboti kurwa senate buna ni garo mu governor we kirania magendero ya une wenrete kolengana no munyakirobo ni ganyare komo chi mu governor yo na gotebanda basogo tume koroboti urwa senchire yokwe yakereko kwa sensemo ya gesiasa na gote buno butukia sobo kuru bogavana ni gobogara boko gendera abegata tumeka roboti urwa soko nyargo yakira siasa miye county Nyamira na gote bune senate nigo yamo chareko mu governor wekirani ya magendero ni gachinga kicho batagire mu governor kwa nekina kumurikira mangana lenge tamagendero libagali yo yakereko ko kutumeka soroboti uru orogendere to kumurikirwa asoboime.
Last week I was disappointed that one of the counties that we gave interim recommendations, they went to the ground and told the people that here we have been cleared by Senate. And these are the only issues that Senate has seen. The rest have been cleared. I think it's very unfair to this committee. And I just want to warn that interim recommendations are not meant for that purpose, for political purposes. This is just interim measures to ensure that some quick fixes are done here and there before the next audit review meeting. So I think I am registering my disappointment with the county of Nyamira for what happened after we gave our interim recommendations. It was not very good. It actually put this committee in bad light, that we cleared a county that is being ranked as among the counties with the worst accountability issues. So we want to urge that these interim recommendations are for a good reason. They are not a clearance certificate. They are basically to help in governance. And I know, Governor, having been here, you understand these matters.
Na go tigara na yuni gobona abunge bali bakwegerera abana ni gobono batore komite bene tukuri ari konyara kumurekera cinchira banara gokonya abana hanemo na abana kero bakonyara gotachirwanse ni go cinga kibaganira ikikuri nyare goitu na gokorro mu nchiryo enchira nanye abakagiro bakonyara konyore gisusuro kolengana babunga abuni go batebire buna okwegerera kwa abana ni go kwarroka ni kurina magega hanemo ne kero butuki bogo kurani go bokurundo ali gwasegeka na bono ni go bagania mu nchiryo nyare kobe kwa asense mejo hanemo amonchiro gocha segesuro kaliye kuruwe gocha se abakagerwa abo bakonyara ko bacana kubonera abana kingage kino naboni go baligati amonchira nyara ko bekubuna na baraliya mabase ko beka chibica nabo ngo mabase kuligerera na kumurekera mangana lengete okondira ko abana unenchiremo yoko nyara ko bisa obisi bwabo.
We at the Cradle, which is a child rights organization, we decided to convene a meeting with members of the National Assembly to discuss draft sexual offences amendment bill that we have. And the reason why, as an organization, we thought we should have had an amendment to part of the current act is the fact that since the act was passed in the year 2006, they have had a lot of challenges here and there. We've had a lot of emerging issues, be it when it comes to technological issues. When the act was passed then, we didn't have words like sextortion, for example. We didn't have people sharing inappropriate images on social media, for example. We didn't have people blackmailing each other with images that were initially shared in good faith.
I assure you we are going to support this because I've gone through it. And let us just educate our people. Anybody can be sexually harassed. This bill is not for women or children, even for men. So I'm just calling upon all the legislators in our National Assembly, Senate, to support this bill and we make sure we safeguard the interest of everybody.
Sexual offenses should only be heard by a competent, trained judge or magistrate. And this is not an issue where chiefs and people within the community can sit down and talk about it and decide it within their cultural traditions. In as much as we respect our traditions, we're saying that some of them are repugnant and that sexual offenses are very, very serious and they should be heard within our court systems.
So for me, just the deliberations around the gender desks and how there is need to have the gender desks in the hospitals, in the public hospitals, for me that was key. The issue of registered sex offenders. Recently with the femicide issues, you found out that the aggressors, the criminals in those cases that were highlighted apparently had many pending cases and had been reported before. So why are we not talking about having a public register for sex offenders? We have sex offenders who've been convicted and they're still working in nursery schools, they are working in daycare centers, they are working they are actually working with vulnerable communities which they could also affect in terms of whether they have reformed or they have not reformed.
Na kubatikana no mugiro abanyagitari yubono aberega kogendera seka ikabono ni gomwaziri wabachinusa na kumincha aberega kobeka sobwasi olebuna ni gesarekari ya bwatokere shilingi bilioni sana ya mono gutemo 6.1 biliona ejonchira konya sokanya wekirania maganio y'abanyagitari niko chinga kiyo china kumincha aberega gote abuna maiga y'abanyagitari gutayitse gotanchira na kwira na semeremo yabo ni gobono bagochiko ikase kigambiro na konyara kubasoera abanyagitari aso gotabwatiri ichiko ryo kwira na semeremo sekiri bakorokana work formula niko chinga kichina kuminja atabire buna abanyagitari bono bachikumiko getambokero onyambali kwirana semeremo yabo.
As a government, through the ministry, we have received a total of 6.1 billion for settlement of the issues raised by the doctors. Follow up to the doctors' refusal to call off the strike, we have instructed our council to immediately move to court and file the status report as to what we had agreed to and initialed on as a return to work formula. Equally, we will be asking our council to appeal to the court to review the orders that had been issued initially so that we are allowed to take the necessary action to ensure that Kenyans continue to enjoy healthcare services.
Na kira juagandret ni gumunyakiro wa governor Hanwe Guru habereka gote abuna tabwatu manyiboisa inego sena maene abanyagetari mbachikupu twemeremo kuru wa Sechi County akwereneria ni Hanwe Guru atabirubuna kire county ne bwato bosibole bwaye aboigo kira bamuke getambo kiro kiyo chikubuta abanyagetari batari asemeremo ini gera lengana kolengana no kuna cha Sechi County chingage tinega atabirubuna Sechi County boigo nchibwato bosibole bwo muke tambo kiro kende gyonsi ariko ne kibuna mangana yobo chenu tari kwerena maiga nakwane kingobe kabalemero bene bitambo kire ya visa ina soko nyara kwa kibuna monchero liyongo kini wale anemona sensemelia yobo chenu.
Issue of whether doctors will be fired. I'm sure you know that every county is a respective employer, and as you can see, we are representing the Council of Governors. We are 47 county governments. Each county has a HR policy, and each county is independent. And the counties have agreed unanimously that they will take whatever necessary action that is required to stop the sufferings of Kenyans. I think there is a time, and that is why we have outlined the process. It's been many weeks. We've been sitting here long days and in various other forums, and we have gone the whole mile. On the county side, we have given in into everything, and still we are at this place for no good reason. And for that, every county will take the necessary action as they deem fit. And it will not be specific to a county, but I'm sure you will be seeing the necessary action as we go forward.
Na niko chinga kichu n'abanyagatari gose clinic officers batebere buno wikabagendere no mugirobo wika serikali yeguro okoganye kwabo niko abekire bintu 10 SMS biganire kuligirirwa amo ne serikali gati ali bakwe murungalinga mono comment kwa abakoli meremo abona bale clinic officers abona bayigwana netubanya comment kiribu emerongebere asemeremo ojabo niko bagote buno ikaraboni ga clinic officers kiribu emerongebere mbaramentwa ikaraboni ga clinic officers bale kiribu isano nebere asebona baganye serikali kwemukige tambokero ayungati yale bagendete kwe murungani na gote abuna bali kwirana semeremo wika serikali yategerera na kuigwa okogani kwabo.
Had promised to employ 20,000 clinic officers because the number that is required according to the Ministry of Health that is behind us so that we can be able to implement the universal health coverage is 24,000 clinic officers working in the public sector. We only have 7,000. So we actually have a shortage of 17,000.
None of our issues have been resolved so far. We are on the strike legally and well protected. We are not visitors in Kenya, and we are not willing to go down without realizing what we are pushing for. In any case, if you listen to what the chair has highlighted, our push is about a proper investment in the health sector where we can have government investing money enough to ensure that we can hire the staff.
Mwachumo linkumanyi gubuna biro bene byabutokere kurwa sensemende studio kubwatikana nemero beliyende kubwati asinge nchoye biro nganchere nyakiro musumale manganama yo mwancho muligeria asenche yebekera no enseyemo yabona maragwinkore ne isatu cyabutuko ni nyara okumanya yo munenda mange anemono una abagavana bate biro buna mbachikogira kibesa kurwa serikali onyamba kwa bilioni 10 amo nemero 5 ngati yato kumulekera ase margoba yabona bego isatu cyabutuko buna butami twara mugeni asense studio mu misebe gwode nyakwa Cosmas yo yagi achiko basemesa gato mulekira mange yonyero ntubate COB 15 yani control budget kati yaba muse 15 bali bagotebekana buna higo bale mamincha no mugavana we county ya Kisii ase Cosmas